FitnessWithFlexHERS, and today as a guest I have my beautiful client Elizabeth. We've been working together for a while already, but she has entered an 8-week challenge. So before I tell you guys all the good stuff, let's talk about how her journey was in the beginning. So Elizabeth, when did you start with me?
Well, we started training back in June. The 8-week challenge began October 4th.
Okay, and from June to October 4th, what were some of the things that were holding you back from really getting to your fitness goal?
Food.
Food.
So
that happens to everybody.
It's hard to really be strict on the diet. But I started at 149, and then I went up to 153. Although my body changed, so for the better, it wasn't the results I wanted. So that's when I decided that I needed to do more. So I decided to start my challenge because I wanted to see results quickly, and I wasn't getting the results I wanted with the diet I was having. You know, I was cheating here and there. So I took it serious, and I was like, Sam, I need change quick. What can we do? 8-week challenge.
Yes, and we did it. We definitely put in a lot of work. What are some of the things that you tried doing before that weren't working for you when it comes to trying to get to your fitness goal?
I've always been pretty good with working out, but it was more like cardio, not so much weight training. So I think I needed the support with weight training to build my muscle, and not just basing it on, oh, I want to lose fat, get skinny, and then that's it.
Yeah, for sure.
So I wanted to do it the healthy way.
That happens to a lot of us, especially females. We don't know what to do. We go to the gym, we hop on the treadmill, and then we end up with a body that we really don't feel confident about.
That and all the wrong diets.
Yes.
Starving yourself doesn't work.
Yeah. How much weight did you end up losing from October 4th, now that the 8 weeks are done?
So I was actually able to shed off 14 pounds. I went from 153 to 139.
And I tell a lot of people that motivation comes from progress, and can you vouch that that's where your motivation comes from?
Absolutely. When your clothes start sitting big,
yep,
that's your motivation right there.
Exactly, yep. For sure. When you did this program, would you say that anybody can do this program?
Yes. Anybody can do it. You might start off slow,
yep,
right? At the beginning, I did maybe 5 push-ups, and now I do 20 straight, not even on the knees. So anybody can do it. What
was one of the areas that when you came in, you really, in your mind, thought you were not going to be able to fix, but we were able to achieve that goal and fix that specific area?
Well, after having 2 babies, I thought my stomach would never look the way it did before. My tummy has toned, and you can see some of my abs.
Yes,
my upper.
Yes.
You know, we still have to work a little bit on my lower, but I'm motivated now and look forward to the results that I'm gonna get in the next 2 weeks.
When she first came in, she told me, she's like, Sam, I want to shed off this amount of weight. I want to look a certain way, but I did have 2 kids, and I know that this area won't be able to get fixed. And that's when I told her, you know what, Elizabeth, whoever told you that was bullshitting you, because we are going to be able to fix that area. And stay tuned for the progress pictures, because that area looks phenomenal. Would you recommend this to any of your friends, anybody that's outside, and why?
I would definitely recommend it. I actually recommended it to 2 of my friends so far. Why? Why not?
Right,
you'll see the pictures and you'll see why.
Exactly.
But it's totally worth it, you know, but of course you have to dedicate yourself. If you don't dedicate yourself, then Sam is not gonna do it for you. It's not easy, it's challenging, but it's definitely worth it.
Yes, thank you so much, Elizabeth. I'm very proud of you, very proud of your progress. Your before and after pictures look phenomenal. I want to thank you again for trusting me, trusting the process. And again, your progress does speak for itself, so thank you so much.
Thank you.